Fendt 1050 Vario. It is a tractor with high load capacity that has been manufactured in Germany. It measures 21 feet or 6.4 meters and weighs 14 tons. It is designed to provide permanent power in demanding applications with minimal fuel consumption. It has an engine with 517 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 37 miles or 60 kilometers per hour. It has a 211-gallon or 800-liter fuel tank, and its variable traction system gives you adequate grip in any situation. It has software that increases operational efficiency and performs high-speed data analysis.